First, welcome to Class with Mathematics. Today we will study about amount. Now amount, it is the sum of the principal plus a simple interest. We can understand this concept by taking the simple example, that is, if I have deposited 500 rupees in a bank and rate is 10% per annum and time is 2 years, then firstly we will calculate the simple interest, that how much simple interest I will get back after 2 years. So principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is 500 rupees multiply by rate is 10% into time 2 years upon 100. So now we will find the lowest term. What is left now? 5 multiply 10 multiply 2. 5 multiply 10 multiply by 2. So what is the simple interest I will get back after 2 years? That is 5, 10 or 50, 2 are the 100 rupees. Now to calculate the amount, we have what is the amount? Principal plus simple interest. So principal is 500 rupees plus simple interest 100 rupees. So amount will be 600 rupees. So by this example we can easily understand, that is, what is amount. That is, we get the amount we get back after certain period of time is the sum of principal and simple interest. We, based upon this formula, we can also calculate the interest. If I have we can also calculate the simple interest if I have amount and principals are given. So simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Another way, if simple interest and amount both are given, and to find the principal, we can also find the principal by amount minus simple interest. अमाउंट से हम सिंपल इंटरेस्ट माइनस करेंगे तो क्या फाइंड आउट होगा? प्रिंसिपल, राइट. उस तरह से अगर सिंपल इंटरेस्ट फाइंड करना है मुझे, तो अमाउंट से प्रिंसिपल को माइनस कर सकते हैं हम लोग, तो वो जो है वो. नाउ एग्जाम्पल, लेट अस टेक वन एग्जाम्पल, दैट इज if I have amount is 800 rupees and principal is 750 rupees, so what will be the simple interest? So principal, you will subtract principal from amount minus principal. So amount is 800 minus principal is 750 rupees. So simple interest will be 50 rupees. Let us take another example. If I have amount is given, let us suppose 1000 amount is given to me and simple interest is 100 rupees. Then in that case, how you can find the principal? Amount minus simple interest. So amount is 1000 rupees minus simple interest is 100 rupees. So what will the principal? 900 rupees. So in this way we can find out the amount, simple interest and principal. Now based upon this example, you can now do worksheet number 3, question 1, 2 and 3. Thank you.